my friend. My name is Putri Azzahra Utami. You can call me Putri. I was born in Bandung on 27 December 2002. Now I'm 19 years old. I'm studying at Bandung Business School, majoring in Management. My favorite food is tempe, and my favorite drink is Milo. About my hobbies, I really like to watching movies, playing guitar, listening to music, and sometimes I play games mobile too. My family and I live on Jalan Subrata, Bandung. My days start at 6 a.m. When I have morning class, I have shower immediately. On Wednesday, my class starts at 7 a.m. I'm not used to having breakfast, and the class ended at 9 a.m. After that, I continue to the second class at 9:30 a.m. until 12 p.m. After the class, I have lunch. After the lunch, I take care of my little sister, or I do some tasks as much as I can do. And I have another class at 7 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. After the lecture is over, sometimes I play games before ending my daily activities by washing my face and brushing my teeth. Then I going to bed at 10 p.m. I'ma tell you about my hometown. My hometown is Bandung. Bandung is one of the largest cities in Indonesia and the capital of West Java province. Bandung is also known as Flower City or Kota Kembang in Indonesian language. The city is a major industrial center which produces textiles. Cihampelas Street is one of the popular clothing store location. Bandung is noted for its angklung bamboo orchestra and its tradition of classical Sundanese theater, dance, and gamelan music. My favorite in my hometown is Braga Street. Why Braga Street can be my favorite place in my hometown? Because apart from the fact that the buildings there have historical value, Braga Street also has many charms, such as the rows of painting by traders, classic shops, cafes. There are suitable as hangout places. I'm giving you direction from my home to my favorite place in my hometown. Take north to Subrata Street, then turn left on the Subrata Street, then turn left to stay on Subrata Street. Take the right lane and stay on Subrata Street. Then turn right onto Pasundan Street. Then turn right after Lapau Nasima Kuncu on the right to Dalam Kaum Street. After that, turn left onto Homan Street. Then turn left onto Asia Africa Street. Lastly, turn right onto Braga Street. So that's direction from my home to my favorite place, hometown Braga Street. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoy with this video and see you in the next video. Goodbye.